Hi, I'm Bob Berner, one of the product support engineers at Plugable. What I'd like to do today is demonstrate how to change the setting for the main display in Windows 11. So let's jump right in. What do I have here? I have a Dell laptop running Windows 11. I have it connected to a Plugable TBT4 UDZ docking station, and I have one external monitor connected to the dock. Let me switch the view so you can see this a little better. On my desktop, you can see I have some application shortcuts and some icons. And I have down here in the lower right hand corner, application icons in the task tray down by the clock. This is the main display, the display where applications will default to opening and icons will appear. What if I don't want that? What if I want the main display to be the other display? Well, the way we do that is we can right click on an empty spot on the desktop and then left click on display settings. And from within display settings, let me resize this so it's a little easier to see. We can see that Windows is showing us we have two displays connected. The way we can identify which display is which is by clicking on the Identify button. Display number 1 is the laptop, display number 2 is the external. Let's do that one more time since they're pretty quick. Number 1 and number 2. Display number 1, the laptop display, is selected by default. It's in blue. And you can see this option here that says, make this my main display. But the option is grayed out. I can't do anything. I can't make any changes. How do I change that setting? Well, the trick is to click on the display you wish to be the main display first. So if I'm going to click on display number 2, you can see now this option has changed where I can select and click to place a check mark, make this my main display. You'll see the windows kind of shrunk and enlarged back again real quickly. And now, let me switch back to my other view so you can see. My desktop icons are appearing on this display, and I have my little icons in the task tray. So this is now the main display. That's not the most exciting thing in and of itself, but if you don't know how to check or change that setting, it can be frustrating if you want to change how things behave. So again, as a quick refresh, let me go back and change that view again so you can see. In Windows 11, if you want to change the main display, you have to come into Windows Display Settings, click on the display you wish to be the main display, and then click on Make this my main display. And now you can see my icons move back to the internal laptop screen. That's the end of the demonstration. Thank you for watching.